I'm Deborah with WTI. I wanted to talk about this EVELOVE large dog rain jacket poncho, waterproof clothes with hood. So I'm just going to give a demonstration of what it looks like while he's walking with this jacket. Come on baby, let's go. Even in bad weather, they can go out for a walk. So this is what the coat looks like once it's put on him. What I like about it is the color. It's a reflective color, so you can even take him out during the nighttime and it's going to reflect, so it's safe to be able to walk around with him. This section here is used for the collar, and it's also got this nice little hoodie that you can just put over him if it's raining too much. It's got these side grips as well that you can tighten if you want to tighten a little bit more around this area. But the size is really good because he's a big dog. So this size works perfectly for him. And yeah, that's what I like about it. Another feature that I like about this raincoat is that it's got these buttons all the way from his neck all the way to his stomach. So it makes it really easy to put on and to take off without having to force or stress him out about putting it on. It's not so tight on him, so it's perfect for him to walk around. He can feel free to move and walk. So that's what I like about this, and that's my point of view.